Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka District Disaster Management Authority jong ka East Castles District. Menta ka kanti kala pengkret lupa, bat kala pengor bahai kinu-kinu jingja, ki bawan lengba, na ka jingwan dan shop ki bor kamaryang, na marbadang hakini ki kendat sengi balala, ngaradon ka jing tua kendau, bat ka jing silai om haki babon ki benta, namar ka jing ter jong labba o bajor, hakani ka ayom liyor bamenta osnam arajar arpo. Haka bedai berkane ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Castles District ka Kong Mat Theodore War Nongbri. Haka jingkran bat ka Batu CCTV. Haka arp khandai trek matabna jilliau arajar arpo. Kalai tu ba nakalang ka District Disaster Management Authority kala penkre lupa ye kinu jingja ki bala banja. Haki sengi banwan kom haka ba ajing rap ki pai ba nong shnong ki ba yekendo jinge habaja kinu jingwan dan shop ki bor kamariang.
In East Castles, we have the District Disaster Management Authority, and it's almost been a week now that it's always activated, but we had to reactivate many areas. The Emergency Operations Center was fully working round the clock, 24/7, and the incident response teams were on the job because we had many landslides and poles coming off, trees falling down, and we had a few instances of floods, especially in the border areas of Shala and Harmodon and Rinku, Mausanram. So we are working around the clock, and all the incidents, as I said, incident response teams are in place, and we are trying to make sure as to get things back in place as far as possible. We have within the DDMA all the departments of the government, and they worked very hard, and in fact we are having electricity today, in major parts of the city because of the hard work that's been put in by all the concerned departments.